So you want to start with some cooked chicken or turkey meat and use a fork to shred it up into little bits. It can be white meat, dark meat, freshly cooked, leftover, whatever, it doesn't really matter. Traditional carnitas are made with slow-cooked pork, but this is a super versatile technique and can work with whatever meat you have. Next, you want to get a pan nice and hot and add enough of a neutral oil to coat the bottom. I love using cast iron here because it holds heat really well and gets the meat extra crispy. Add the meat to the pan and let it sit undisturbed for a minute or two so the bottom gets nice and brown. Then season generously with salt and toss it around the pan every so often until it gets nice and crispy, about 5 to 8 minutes. You can add other seasonings if you want, but I personally think salt is all it needs. I know this seems really basic, but the texture and flavor that results from this technique is insane. You have to trust me. Spoon the meat into warm corn tortillas and then top with diced white onion and cilantro and serve with plenty of lime wedges and your favorite hot sauce on the side. These are not traditional carnitas by any means, but they're so easy to make and so freaking delicious, you have to give them a try. Trust me.